Imagine owning properties that make money for you while you sleep. The cars you dream about, the freedom you crave, the lifestyle you've always wanted could all be yours. But here's the thing, you won't get there unless you start now. And trust me, the earlier you get in, the better. Real estate is one of the most reliable paths to wealth, but it's not all sunshine and rainbows. In this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about real estate investing, without all the jargon that confuses you. I'm about to show you how to make smart decisions, avoid the pitfalls, and set yourself up for financial freedom. But here's the catch. If you don't pay attention to the next few minutes, you could miss out on an opportunity that only comes once in a lifetime. Let's dive in. Stick around until the end. Trust me, you won't want to miss what I have for you. 1. The big picture, why real estate? So why real estate? Why not stocks, crypto, or the next hot investment? Here's the truth. Real estate is a proven wealth builder. In fact, 90% of millionaires in the US have made their fortune through real estate. Think about that for a second. 90%. The reason? Real estate appreciates over time, provides consistent cash flow, and even offers tax benefits. But let's be real. This doesn't happen overnight. It takes strategy, patience, and smart moves. The good news? You don't need $1 million to get started. You just need to know where to start. Now, before you start imagining yourself living in a mansion in the Hamptons tomorrow, let's pump the brakes a little. Real estate isn't about instant success. It's about consistent success. But here's the crazy thing. Some people jump in with little understanding and fail. Don't let that be you. Okay, now that we know why real estate is a smart choice, let's talk about how to begin. 2. The fundamentals, how to get started. To get started, you need to understand the basics. First things first, what kind of real estate should you invest in? Residential, commercial, vacation homes? This is where most beginners get stuck. But here's the truth. You don't need to start big to build big. Let's break it down. Start with residential properties. Single-family homes, duplexes, triplexes, properties that people live in. Why? They're easier to manage, and there's a huge demand for rental properties right now. And trust me, the cash flow is real. Real. Every month you get paid. Sounds exciting, right? Now, I know what you're thinking. I don't have the cash for this. Well, here's the thing. You don't need to own the whole property. You can partner with others, get financing, or even start with smaller properties. There's always a way in, you just need to find it. Once you've chosen your property type, you need to research. I'm talking neighborhood stats, property values, rental rates, and everything in between. This is crucial because if you don't understand the market, you're setting yourself up to fail. Trust me, I've seen people buy properties just because they thought it looked cool. Spoiler alert, cool doesn't pay the bills. You need the numbers to work for you. If you get this wrong, you could be in trouble. And we're not here to lose money, are we? 3. The pitfalls, what to avoid. So here's the harsh reality. Real estate can go south fast. There are things you need to avoid at all costs. One of the biggest mistakes? Underestimating the costs. People often look at a property, think it's a steal, and forget about the hidden expenses, repairs, maintenance, property taxes, insurance. The list goes on. If you're not factoring these costs in, you're playing a dangerous game. Another huge pitfall, not understanding the financing options. Are you taking out a conventional loan, an FHA loan? Maybe you're going to use a hard money lender. The wrong choice could be the difference between making a profit and sinking into debt. Because let's be honest, there's no one that loves paying interest rates, but sometimes that's the reality. But you need to make sure your strategy aligns with your financing. And then, this one's big, the worst mistake of all? Not learning from your mistakes. Every investor will hit roadblocks. The key to success is to learn, adapt, and keep moving forward. Conclusion, the road ahead, take action. Now, so, are you ready? Real estate investing is a marathon, not a sprint. You don't need to have it all figured out from day one, but you do need to take that first step. Start small, start smart, and build from there. Every great investor started exactly where you are right now. thinking, planning, and learning. And let me leave you with this. The greatest regret people have in life is not the mistakes they made, it's the opportunities they didn't take. So ask yourself, will you act now or wait for another opportunity to pass you by? Click that subscribe button, drop a comment, and let's keep this conversation going. And remember, real estate can change your life. The only question left is, will you let it? Stay tuned for the next video where we dive deeper into financing options for your first property. Trust me, you won't want to miss this.